The phone that I have with myself today is one of the most anticipated and awaited phone from Samsung. Well, that is the S10. S10 Plus is what I have with myself today. Well, the phone has had an international launch and now the phone is here in my hand. Let's unbox it for all of you to know more about this one. So, of course, we know it's the flagship series of Samsung, and the S8 and the S8 Plus and the S9 have done extremely well for the brand. A lot of expectations from the S10 as well. And yes, the S10 has so much that you would like and so much that they claim is first in class that the S10 has. Well, here's the nice black box. Let's open it up to see what's inside it. Well, inside it, here you get your pin and open this in. Well, very nice transparent cover for your phone and your phone guide. You get it all. And here comes the much awaited S10 Plus. Well, I have the blue color here with myself today. The phone comes in 3 great colors, black, white and blue, and I must say the white is very, very attractive. I've got my hands on all 3 of them. It's a very, very good looking white that they have in the option. Even the blue is excellent, and a standardized black is always something that you would like. We got the phone here. Let's talk about the phone a bit later. Let's look inside the box over here. Well, you get yourself the charger, and here, well wrapped your charging cable you get. Oh, you get a dongle here also. And of course, you get yourself your earplugs. Very nice. Oh, is that interesting? You actually get earbuds for your earplugs. You get an option of earbuds, basically. That's also nice. Smart for smaller and bigger sizes of ear holes. That's very nice. That's pretty cool. Okay, so here comes the S10 Plus that is in my hand. Okay, let's give you a first look of the phone. Very stylishly placed cameras at the back over here on the blue. Here you miss out the notch. You obviously get the hole onto the side over here, which is very nice. You get a full screen for yourself. And you have a small power button over here on the right. And of course, it's an extremely sleek, good-looking smartphone, the flagship mobile phone from Samsung.